The Chabad of Nigeria has donated 10,000 sets of hygiene packs to Hill School children in Koromajiji community, Abuja, to curb the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. According to Uzan, each pack contains face mask, soap, hand sanitizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, and instruction leaflet.
This virus is passing by kids very fast. They are not affect the kids, but they can pass to kids and affect other people. So this one we want for the kids to take care of this. We decide to focus on the kids. We decide to focus on education. It is very important also to guide the kids. So this is why we decide to develop this program. This program is not only about the COVID, but it's in general hygiene that every single human, every single kid have to know, have to learn. Unfortunately today the schools are closed everywhere, but we believe that we can still give them something to learn. So for now we have 10,000 financed by Kings of the World organization, Les Rois du Monde in France. Kings of the World organization for last year provide more than $125,000 of support for different programs here in different places in Nigeria. And they announced they will renew this budget for this year. And on behalf of all Jewish community and all Nigerian citizens, we thank Kings of the World, Les Rois du Monde in France for this support. And for sure, we all know that it's never enough. More and more are very welcome because we have what to do with this in a good way.
In the same vein, Mrs. Binta Sidi, Executive Director of Brand Life Vision Foundation, an NGO, had this to say.
We are in collaboration with the King World and the Jewish community. We work together, and the achievement they have in this 2020, it's a lot because they are focusing on education. They're trying to bring online schools to the government school, which we're thinking of the 36 states, not even Abuja alone, which we're thinking of both tribes and both religions. They are not focusing on Christian, they are focusing on Muslim and Christian altogether.
A donor, Engineer Hem Halle, Chief Executive Officer of Halekem Limited, commended the initiative of the hygiene pack.
As a contractor, I'm happy that I have the opportunity to contribute back to the community. So wherever we have a chance to put hands to assist from kids, from community, for people on the road, all over, we are trying to contribute and to assist to see the developing country in a better position. This is our mission.
In a separate interview, Mrs. Kwatsabata Uba, proprietors of Hill School, expressed appreciation to Chabad Aid and Kings of the World for the gesture.
But now that they have brought face masks for them, if government say we should resume now, we resume happily because each child has face masks. What Kings of the World are doing is good. They have put smiles on the faces of people. They are touching lives. People are happy in this village because of what they are doing.
Similarly, some students of the school also commended the donors for the gesture and urged children to adhere to government's instructions and protocols to curb COVID-19.
We should obey the government's orders to stay at home. It's for our own benefits, for our own benefits. If you stay at home, you will not catch the coronavirus. Coronavirus is not even a death sentence. If you obey the rules, you will be free from it. So just obey the rules and help keeping it from affecting each other.
I tend to use the sanitizers all the while. The face mask is like when you are going out to a public place, you wear it to prevent yourself from others. The toothbrush, the paste, the soap, especially to wash your hands, because the face mask cannot prevent your eyes. That is why the soap is here, for you to use the soap and wash your hands. We should keep our social distancing, stop going to a crowded place, always wash your hands regularly, always sanitize, and also keep the hygiene so as to stay safe.
I feel really amazing. I just want, on behalf of the school, Chabad 8, thank you very much for giving us these things.